How to buy Robux with Paysafecard. Today I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to buy Robux with the Paysafecard. Go ahead and type in Roblox on your web browser and go to roblox.com. Once you head over here, make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, all you have to do here is simply go to the Robux at the top right, click on it, and then click on Buy Robux. So you can select the amount that you want to buy. So let me just go ahead and select the very first one. And here you can find different type of payment methods. You can use credit card, debit card, PayPal, and redeem Roblox card. But there is no option for the PaySafe card. So go ahead and click on Other. And on the secure payment, you will see an option down below, like your credit or debit cards. And under popular payment methods, you can find Amazon Pay as well as the SafePay credit card, SafePay card. So if you just change a region, so if you don't have the SafePay as PaySafe card on your region, it won't be visible. But if you change a region here, you should be able to do this. So let's just select USA for now, and you'll find the PaySafe card right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.